Hello everyone, we are Novo 3D. In this video, we're gonna show you how to crimp. So for that, I have a wire cutter, a crimper, single core wire, JST SM male housing, and JST SM male pin. So first take the wire and cut at the edge like 0.3 mm, and take the male pin. Just place it exactly this way, and then if possible just bend a little, and then take the wire crimper, place it all the way around and just press it. Yeah, and take the JST SM male housing, and this is the way it goes inside. Yeah, that's it. That's how it works. Thank you.